Welcome to Car Showcase. Here introducing a 2025 Ferrari F80. Before starting, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2025 Ferrari F80 is a highly anticipated hypercar that promises to revolutionize the automotive world. Let's dive into its impressive features and specifications. Firstly, the F80's design is a masterpiece, blending sleek lines, aerodynamics, and pure Italian flair. Its carbon fiber chassis and bodywork ensure exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, making it a featherweight fighter. Under the hood lies a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing a staggering 1,200 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque. This beastly powerplant is paired with an advanced hybrid system, allowing for improved efficiency and reduced emissions. The F80's transmission is an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic, optimized for lightning-fast shifts and precision control. With all-wheel drive and electronic torque vectoring, this hypercar delivers unparalleled traction and handling. Performance figures are breathtaking. 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, 0 to 124 mph in 6.5 seconds, and a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. The F80's advanced aerodynamics and active spoilers generate over 1,000 kilograms of downforce at high speeds. Inside, the cockpit is a symphony of luxury and technology. The driver-focused layout features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, an 8-inch infotainment screen, and premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber. Safety features include advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Other notable features: advanced keyless entry and start system, 360-degree camera system, parking sensors and semi-autonomous parking, premium audio system with 14 speakers, wireless charging and smartphone integration. Dimensions and capacity: length, 184.5 inches, width, 78.2 inches, height, 44.7 inches, wheelbase, 104.3 inches, cargo capacity, 4.5 cubic feet. Fuel economy and emissions: EPA estimated 14 mpg city, 20 mpg highway. CO2 emissions: 320 grams per kilometer. Pricing for the 2025 Ferrari F80 starts at around $2.5 million, with limited production numbers and exclusive availability. In summary, the Ferrari F80 is an unparalleled driving machine, blending stunning design, incredible performance, and cutting-edge technology. This hypercar is sure to leave even the most discerning enthusiasts in awe. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will meet soon in next video.